heat. Chef Calvin to the world. Beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel.
Today is so special. Like, this video, it's unique because my very own husband is the one taking us on this journey. He's the best when it comes to making sumptuous noodles. His noodles recipe is so delicious that I had to choose his noodles over material gift during my last birthday.
Guys, I'm not kidding.
Without wasting much of our time, let me just allow you to watch this video as I welcome our very own chef Calvin.
Okay. Without wasting much time, thank you for introducing me. As an Italian chef who I be, I got to dress the part. Sharply, we go straight into our ingredients. This is what we call ororo groundnut oil. We are going to use to fry our indomie. Onions, we get pepper for here, we get crayfish for here. So now, you look at this is what we call sardine. Don't start in a sardine. And then we have our eggs. Without egg, it's not complete. Okay, then we have our noodles. This one is what we call, forget it, I'm not doing advertisement for them. It's indomie sha. The next thing we do is to pour water in the pot. I will allow the water to boil. It go hot before we will come pour our indomie inside. Just follow me. So we go put the water in the pot now for fire. As that pot dey for fire now, we will come to tear our indomie. Go tear open. We will tear. Right now I'm cooking only 4 noodles. So we go just tear. As you tear, don't forget say the water go to boil. So now you can see that I want the sachet from the okay. It's my wife's saying sachet, no be shit. I want shit. Which one be shit? Be shit. Now first sachet there, you don't come on the sachet, put that one side. So yeah, now I don't really off the gas because the water don't boil finish. I'll come carry the indomie, come pour inside the pot like that. Make the heat of the water does the touch and you get. You come spread the indomie, go spread that way. May it spread, may everything, may everything relax where you get. You come cover the pot back. But if you see on now again, or if you say you want to boil well, maybe the heat don't come out. But me, I come on my gas again, put that for low. You get, come cover the pot. So now, as the indomie don't they cook for that pot, or they absorb the heat for the pot now, I'll come go they break my egg inside plate. So I can't break all the 3 egg. Go break all the 3 egg like this. Join and break everything because I go show you the magic we go use the egg do for the as they go on. So now I don't know which kind of egg my wife can't give me like this. So the egg don't strong. So I use spoon try break. I still no one grip break. I be want make I use hammer. Now after they try force me break now small the eggshells can't fall inside. I can't say no as a proper chef now. I got to come on the eggshell before person will come the chop eggshell. Come the chop sharp for my food. You get. So you go carry 1 sachet of the indomie. You go flap and wear. Make all the ingredients settle for the bottom. Then you go come pour everything for inside the egg where you just break finish for inside plate. So now at this point you gas to turn here. You go come turn and where you can't use this way they use everything they call whisk. You carry that whisk now. It's going to turn and where make the egg mix well. Make the yolk and you get that kind of thing now. So make it just smooth. Yeah. See me. I don't go forget indomie I put for pot. You be now come soft. Don't soft pass where I will take 1 time. You get because you know say you go see frying, so you know supposed soft way like that. So if you cook your own, don't make it too soft. Don't go forget indomie for pot. So I don't put that for pot like this. You go just pour another sachet of indomie like this. Full sachet of indomie. Pour everything. Pour the pepper and the maggi. You pour inside the indomie. You go come turn am. Before you turn am, you come carry that egg. We don't whisk already. We don't pour ingredient whisk and finish. We come pour small of that egg. Small. No be so you go pour everything. No, just pour small because you go see this many one when they fry the indomie. As you come turn am like this now, you want turn and finish. You go come find any bowl we get cover, come pour the indomie inside. You see the supreme ice cream bowl. If I tell you the history, that time you say I broke, I never married. That person go carry big money, go buy me ice cream. I want to lick the ice cream. I say, I go throw this bowl. This bowl, I go throw it. I go keep her. So like this now, you just carry the indomie, pour inside that bowl. Then pour inside that bowl like this. You come pour onions, put small onions for inside. When you go pack all the onions, put it because no say you go see fry the indomie. Like this now, you come cover the bowl. You come carry and come shake and. They shake and like say they pray. Like all those prayer where they pray on top church, we no get roof by 12 a.m. That's say they pray against all those wishes for the Papa village. You go shake and.
My hand, demons go wrong. If I pray and sing, miracle go happen. If I give command, deliverance go come. If I plead the blood, sickness go go. Holy Ghost, fire, consume. Holy Ghost.
like this now. Time don't reach, we go come take fry the indomie. We first put that frying pan for fire like this. Come carry this sardine, open am small, pour the oil, you press am, make all the oil come out. You get, at this point the oil will come dey do ta because no say get some kind of fish particles waiting for the oil, so you can't dey fry, you can't dey splash. You get, you can't show Jackie Chan skills. You got to apply skill for this part now. You can go put small oil again, you go put extra ororo, make it seem balanced. So now you come pour your onions, you go pour the pepper, all the kind of rich pepper you get. So now you come turn the thing. As on the turn, I remember say you never finish all the indomie sachet we use. Now two remain like this. So now, so these two now, you come carry one, come pour inside the the thing wey dey fry. Those pepper and onions, but don't go pour everything. No, don't pour small, don't like pour half. Pour small. Inside the pour small. Then you come carry the sardine, come pour inside the pepper to them. You come turn on everything, mix them together. Make it mix well. Don't forget the crayfish. You come add the crayfish joint. When you add the crayfish joint like this, you turn on. At this point, the thing come be like say you even come thick well. You get to the turn. You come be like say it thick or come day again. At this point, if you can still pour small ororo on top, make it thing, because you go see fried indomie. You got see small oil we go use fried indomie. Me, I don't like to use plenty of rich. Now I know put those carrots, spring onion, all those kind of things. If you forget time, if you want put time, if you put time, nothing bad, nothing spoil. See me now, don't go forget indomie. I go soak inside bowl again. Which kind of thing be this? But for your own benefit, cook and don't go forget and not leave them too long, because if you pour inside the oil like this, you go come the cake. But as the chef who I be, nothing they spoil for my hand. You can't get how I take on the break and the turn and you get thing come balance. You don't start at the break and don't do it small, gently. You think come balance, come the I come fry and come the turn them. So at this point now, you go need to fry and well, turn and well. If you don't know today where if you pour on top, you get. So you just fry until it makes sense to your own texture, how you take like. Don't forget say you never pour that egg will remain like that. So you come glaze indomie with the egg, pour around. You don't pour and finish, you come continue to the to the turner. You turn out small in the fry. Just follow me after the see as the turner. Just follow me like that. Just the turner like that. Small make sense until the way you take like see how indomie fresh like today begin. One more, I can't jealous my wife at this point. Now only she go chop this kind of indomie, and when I go join and chop this kind of thing, So it's time to serve the indomie. I can't serve and pour for plate. As a professional chef who I be, I serve and carefully. No one miss for the floor. I just serve and arrange them well. My man don't lie for you. This indomie too sweet die. I look at it. I does the rush and the chopper. So but anyway, for my wife, so I will just maintain. Now set tray, put the indomie, put smell up, put wine, carry fork and knife. I put small pineapple there, you get, can't carry on like this, meet my for dining table. She can't blush, see her face, see how my wife fine girl, man. I'm married better, see how she does with the sharp proper. She can't say, please use knife. I got a fucking knife now. Now, if American, not to cut the thing, get. I say, sorry, I know one knife now, make her they go now. Come on, now she can't start to whack this no even waste time. Can't they chop and they look and I do this swallow species she they happy they chop and say man. But anyway, sometimes in like this, once in a while like this, you guys have to just spoil your wife. As you marry better wife, like you just have to spoil her. You just watch her. Sometimes if you buy suya, you go to chop suya, you go to chop the toothpick. Make sure they chop the suya. You get be a romantic man. You get what I mean. So I beg at this point, me not like, me not subscribe, me not notify. You get me not share around. Me not subscribe, me not press that bell with there, me not press so that you fit know when would they drop another one. Then me not comment, I beg. If you like this video, if you like me, if you like chef like me not comment, I beg. Me not comment saying I want to see more of me. Me not comment and tell me saying I want to see more of me. As they work and they enjoy, they dance. Now in my son come cash and small boy, cause hey mommy you too wicked. Give me that match off now. Anyway guys, thank you Jerry.